Hello and welcome back to Simply Mobile. So we are back today with another mini hack, and it is our top 6 favourite keyboard shortcuts for Mac. So if you have any that are not on the list, post them below because we are sharing. So the first one is how to screenshot on a Mac. So if you press Command, Shift and 4, you will open up the snippet tool and you can adjust it to whatever you like. Let go when you're done and you'll have a preview in the bottom right hand corner. Number 2 is how to quickly close a browser tab. So you press Command and Q and the browser will close. Number 3 is how to delete entire words. Rather than pressing the delete button for each and every character, if you hold Option and delete, it will take away the entire previous word much quicker. Number 4 is how to jump up and down a page. If you press Option up and down, it will go down in segments like this. But if you press Command up and down, it will take you to the top and the bottom of the page. Now, this also works in Excel if you want to reach the top or bottom of a column. Or if you press right or left in Command, you can go side to side. So in Word, it will also do this in chunks if you want to jump paragraphs. Number 5 is how to quickly access the address bar. So if you press Command up and L, it will take you right there and you can just start typing. Number 6 and our final one is how to copy and paste. Now rather than having to highlight, copy, right click and paste, there's a much quicker way of doing this. You can just copy the area that you want to paste, Command and C, and then Command and V. And you can do this as many times as you like. So that was our top 6 favourite keyboard shortcuts for a Mac. So another question I get asked all the time is, how do you split screen on a Mac? It's easy, although it's not easy to find. But I have done a video on this, so I'll post that up next.